Hello and welcome to the Great Grow Along Inspiration Hour. I'm Diane Blazek with National Garden Bureau, and one of the things we do, in fact, it's in our mission statement, is to inspire people to do more gardening. So we're going to try to do that today with a short little bit. Today, we are talking about caladiums because it is the year of the caladium. And we have a lot of information, tips, and photos that is sure to inspire you. So let's get started. One of my favorite aspects about our year of program is all the little did you know tips that come from our breeders and our members. And here's one for you for caladiums is the unique thing about them is the huge variety of colors that they come in. And so let's look at some of those colors, like this white star variety that is majority white leaves. And then you also have the white ones like this one, Snowdrift, where it's a white leaf with green veins. Then maybe we pop over to something that's green and red in the middle, or green and a purplish vein. And here's another little tidbit, which is great news for maybe beginning gardeners or people like me who might be a little bit on the lazy side. But caladiums really are low maintenance. Just give them a little water, give them a little fertilizer, and you're going to get those striking colors all season long. Speaking of striking colors, how's this? Scarlet Flame, one of the heart-to-heart caladiums. Or this one, Splash of Wine. Kind of looks like somebody spilled their wine on it. And then Snow Flurry will give you just the nice green and white. And how about this? Raspberry Moon. Raspberry colored centers on these green leaves for really, really nice splashes of color. Here's a little trivia for you. Caladiums are tropical plants that originated in Central and South America. Today's world, most of the ones we buy are grown in Florida. And did you know that they're graded by size? The largest ones are number ones. So if you're looking for a really big burst of color, look for the smaller numbered tubers when purchasing them for the upcoming season. Speaking of purchasing, sometimes you might find caladiums in a mix. Like this one that's already in a container, you may find plants, or when you're buying your tubers, you may find a mix and it'll give you a very good assortment of different colors that that retailer or that grower knows that they look great together. Here's another trivia fact for you, that caladiums actually don't have stems. Those leaves are on the petioles, and they come directly from that underground tuber. So there's your next cocktail party fact. Now it's time to wow you with some beautiful varieties, like this one, the Heart to Heart series, Hot to Trot. And then this one, Flatter Me, with those deep pink veins, followed up next with this one, which is called Rain or Shine. And look at those leaves. I love the coloration on those. Then we have Rose Glow, which really is glowing, and Chinook. So this one is a uniquely colored kind of orangish red center. Then we go to Lemon Blush, which is a very vibrant blush pink center. Oh yes, did you know that there are two different types of caladiums? There's the fancy leafed ones. They have the large heart-shaped leaves, and they're typically a little bit taller. And then you've got the other type, which is the strap or lance leaf caladium, and they have a narrower ruffle-edged leaf, and they're attached at the end instead of below. So it's kind of funny. This actually is one of the most popular videos that we have on our YouTube, is where one of the breeders is explaining the difference between the fancy and the lance leaf caladiums. And I've inserted that video here so that you too can watch it.
Hi, I'm Carrie Meyer from Proven Winners, and we're out here in beautiful California, and I'm going to show you how to tell whether you have a strap leaf or a fancy leaf caladium. Strap leaf caladiums have the stem that come right up and it attaches to the very edge of the leaf, and that tells you it's a strap leaf. It also tends to be more narrow. A regular fancy leaf caladium, on the other hand, attaches attaches at the back of the leaf, in the middle of the leaf, about a third of the way down. And you tend to have larger heart-shaped leaves on a fancy leaf caladium. And that's how you tell the two types apart.
Wasn't that a great tip? So now we are going to inspire you with some combination planters. First up, we have Heartthrob. Along with the caladium, there is a trailing Tyrinia and Silver Falls dichondra. This next container is called Heart of Glass, and in addition to this caladium, you've got double impatiens, a euphorbia as a filler, and a creeping wire vine. This next combo is called Grassy Mountain, and here, in addition to the caladium, you have a coleus and a sedum. In the Grand Slam combo, we have an ipomea or sweet potato vine, a grass, and two different colors of caladiums. Then in the Gentle Blush combo, there is a Griffin begonia, the non-blooming begonia, along with a regular blooming begonia and a caladium. Fine Wine features a verbena, the euphorbia is a filler again, and a caladium. This dark-hued beauty is called West Coast Fog, and it has a coleus, a sweet potato vine, the ipomea, and the caladium. Our last combo to inspire you features two different colors of caladium, along with the Supertunia Mini Vista Pink Star and a Pentas Sunstar Pink. My last little tidbit of fun trivia is, did you know that the vibrant colors of caladium leaves are caused by pigments that are called anthocyanins? And with that, let's just wrap up with a couple more varieties of caladiums. If this doesn't inspire you to try them this year, I'm not sure what would. So which of these varieties are you going to try? Is it Mesmerized, Tickle Me Pink, or this one, which is Explosion? Or maybe you go for the pinks in Radiance or Pink Cloud. Here's another one, Fast Flash or Dawn to Dusk. Blushing Bride is a beauty, as is Heart's Delight. Go on a staycation with this one, Caribbean Coral. And look at this beauty, Hot Flash. And then we've got this one, which is bold and beautiful, or Tapestry, all of which are just gorgeous. And there's even more. There are hundreds of varieties to choose from. So which ones are you going to plant this year to help celebrate the year of the caladium? To find more, go to ngb.org.